You guys, guess who's back? Back again. Shaw is back. Tell a friend. Hey guys, I don't know if anybody has seen Viola Davis's 2018 Golden Globes look, but she was stunning. She looked gorgeous and she inspired my look today. I didn't have any of the products that they used in her facial look, but you know, I did the best of my abilities and I think it looks pretty good. Like I would wear this, like I'd wear that. That's a good look. And I'm super excited to show you guys my version of her look. Viola Davis is my aunt somewhere in my head. Like, love her, adore her, and I'm here for anything natural hair, anything gorgeous and burgundy-ish. That's me. That's my life. So if you want to see more, stay tuned. Skin prep is so important. It's really good to prep your skin properly before you do your makeup. So I'm just going to use some MARACUJA oil from TARTE Cosmetics, and then I'm going to go in with my Glotion from Pixie, and then I'm going to go in with a little bit of my matte moisturizer just to prep my skin really well. The Glotion gives me that glow from underneath. Like when your skin is glowing through your makeup, that's what Glotion does. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows. Nothing has changed. I'm always going to use HD Hidden Magic, Graftobian's HD Hidden Magic powder. It's a foundation powder, but it does my brows really well. I actually prefer powder to any of the other ones because it lasts longer and I can really get a precise look. Just going to clean up my brows with a little bit of my Colourpop concealer in Deep 70. Cleaning up your brows really brings your brows together. I'm going to take a little bit of that concealer and put it on my lid just to give me a good base for my eyeshadow. The first shadow I'm going to use is my blush from Juvia's Place blush palette. It's the shade Abby. And Viola had this really deep purple there. So I'm just going to create my own deep purple. Add a little bit of black and then re-put the purple over it again just to deepen the color a bit. Next I'm going to go in with my NYX Prismatic Shadow and Firebomb. And I'm going to keep it to the outer ends of my eye. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm just going to run it over my crease just a little bit to fan out the color. Now I'm going to use this Blinging bronze color. It's a liquid eyeshadow and I was kind of afraid to use it, but it wasn't so bad. I just put that in the center of my lid. And then I'm going to put my Sugar Pill Penelope right on top to give me some shine. In the inner corner, I'm going to use my Artist Couture highlighter called Broadway. It's like a golden pink shimmer. Now I'm going to go back in with NYX's golden peach color because I felt like it wasn't pink enough on the outer ends. And as I lost the color, I'm just going to add some more. Next, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r foundation, and this is number 470. It looks really light, but you know, it darkens up. I can wear a bunch of different colors from them, so it's really refreshing to know that I can wear a bunch of different colors from them. And I actually use this technique of using a flatter brush to do my foundation from them. I just felt like I wanted a little bit more of a chrome look, so I just added a little bit of Hard to Impress on the outer ends of my eyes where that pink was. Anything that's liquid that you put on your face, it's good to set it with a powder, so I'm just setting my foundation. Then going back in with the Colourpop concealer in Deep 70. Highlighting those areas where I want the light to hit, under my eyes, chin, nose, center of the forehead. And blend, blend, blend. Then I'm going to set that. So I didn't want to let it bake, I just wanted to set it with powder. So I placed the powder down first, and then I just used a smaller wedge sponge just to press the powder into my skin. Clean cut, right? Now I'm going to use chocolate chip blush just to warm up my face a little bit more. I guess use it more as a bronzer. And then I went over that with Abby from the Juvia's Place palette. Now I'm going to use a little bit of Colourpop's Luster Dust. And I use too much, of course. So I got to blend it out. And make it work. Love a nose highlight. Love a nose highlight. Now I'm going to go, I know this is a lot of highlighter, but I'm going to go back in with my Fenty Beauty in the Moscow Mule color. Because her look was very pinky bronzy. It was like pink, bronze, and burgundy, and I just felt like that would bring a little bit more of the pink in. Now I'm going to use blush again, and I'm going to put these on the apples of my cheek. This is Warm Sand from Fashion Fair. This is the Night Moth pencil. This was literally the only pencil I had, or the only item I had that they used on her look. And I'm going to use I Get So OCC. A little bit of lip tar for this bronzy look. They use the color Foiled from MAC. And I just wanted to duplicate that. I don't know how. I just made some stuff up. Alright, this is a really quick lash tutorial. So I'm talking through it, but I'm doing a voiceover, so you'll just hear it. So what you do is you put your mirror flat down in front of you, and you look down into your mirror. And then you push your lash on from the center and let it sit for a little while. I always cut off doing my lashes, so I thought it would be cool to just leave that part in there. Then you pull on the ends and make sure it is secure. So there I am. I'm pushing it in, leaving it on, making sure it sticks really well. Sometimes I like using my finger. And now I'm going to stack my lashes. I'm absolutely horrible at doing lashes sometimes, and I never stack lashes until this tutorial. So it took me a little while to get it together. I really did figure it out. Oh my gosh, don't be shocked. These are my wig braids, and they have been in my hair all week, so my hair looks really crazy. I forgot to finish up my eye look, so that's what I'm doing now. Giving myself a little bit of a smoke out on the bottom. And she had falsies on the bottom of her lash, so I just want to add more mascara. Now I'm realizing that, of course, I jacked up my nose with mascara, and I'm a little bit dramatic. Pardon me. Fixed it, checking it out. And now I'm going to go back in with mascara because I really want my bottom lashes to look long because I don't have any single falsies for the bottom. To take out my braids, I'm just going to use my comb to loose the ends, and then I'm going to use my fingers to loose out the rest of it. I was going to take out my braids anyway, so I thought it would be a cool idea to just, you know, do a look with it one time because I needed to redo my braids. There we go. That is the look, the finished look, inspired by Viola. I hope you like it. There she goes. Hey, Auntie. Hey, Auntie. Bronzy, pinky, golden. And that is the end. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Inspired by Viola. Got me tripping. This has dead been 8 minutes of me putting glue on my lashes. Oh God. Ooh, I don't know how to stack lashes. Okay. Ah, how do you stack lashes? Okay.